This is fucking dead. But first of millions of views and it's about my plight. And yet, Lady Gaga with Snoop Dogg. Well, you know what? It's okay to be a ginger too. I want whoever.
One way is to think that
she's got detention from this old
car. Here comes Longbottom with the Longbottom, and here comes Shorty Bum, and Shorty Bum's closing on Longbottom.
go upstairs in a flash, into bed, into
Tents and listened to the rain. Rain raining, 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 rain raining.
why is your
Rain raining,
now playing
rain raining, 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 rain raining.
How did the top of the
Rain raining,
did it get broken?
rain raining, 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 rain raining.
I got the taste of it in my mouth. I can't stop myself, so I go. And I got all these slices. And I can't stop myself.
was in a paper bag. One sloppy,
Rain raining,
peeled off the paper off my,
rain raining,
but it was slippery and sticky, and the
rain raining,
it came off in soggy lumps that I scooped together and pushed into my mouth, and blob by blob. But then there were dollops of
rain raining,
hiding in the corner of the bag, so I was holding the bag up to my face, tipping it into my mouth. I was drinking,
rain raining,
and my fingers were running. So he helped himself.